Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a close-in country property on 5 peaceful acres. Located a short 8-minute drive from Sandy, it's a peaceful retreat with a gorgeous home, a huge 5,500 square foot outbuilding, and plenty of space to enjoy nature. From the relaxing wraparound deck, watch friendly wildlife, including deer and elk. Discover a thoughtfully designed home with an open concept floor plan, a cozy fireplace, and tons of natural light. The spacious kitchen features a Gen-Air downdraft range, additional wall oven, built-in microwave, breakfast nook, and pantry. It opens to the light and bright dining room. Double doors open to the main level office or den. From your master suite, unwind in the covered hot tub. And you'll find an elegant master bath with Insta hot water. On the upper level, 2 additional large bedrooms, plus another full bath. A separate staircase leads to the bonus room. The patio with water feature is ready for your barbecues or just enjoying the tranquil surroundings. Originally a berry processing facility, the massive outbuilding includes huge shop areas, a half bath, covered dog run, a tack or storage room, a private office space, and plenty of room for all of your toys, horses, or livestock, plus 2 covered loafing sheds and fenced and cross-fenced pastures. An exceptional country property offering an incredible number of options. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Kristin Harris with Premier Property Group.